I don't want the moon, don't want the stars, don't want Venus, don't want Mars. All I want is you. Don't want no gold, no diamonds, don't want no queen or any other girl. All I want is you. Oh, darling, can't you see what you mean to me? I want to make you my wife. But if you should say no, where would I go? And what would I do with my life? No, I don't want the sun.